At ManageEngine, we started our efforts on artificial intelligence 12, 13 years ago, around 2012. We started with doing machine learning, deep learning models. So we were applying it in the context of automating technology service delivery. We were using it for cybersecurity, for doing things like user and entity behavior analytics, for doing anomaly detection, or doing forecasting, predictions, and all of that. So the evolution has been gradual, focus more on what problems we could specifically solve for our customers. And as the AI technology itself evolved with powerful NLP capabilities, and now we are talking about LLMs, general purpose LLMs being available, Agentic AI, our evolution has matched what the technology itself offers, where we are also able to map it to solving specific customer problems. As we speak, the ManageEngine products, all of them work with LLMs in terms of solving specific IT management problems. Say, for example, if a company wants to build a self-service portal, very personalized, role-specific technology service portals for their workforce, it's so easy to create, a matter of few seconds. You can create a very personalized self-service portals, creating new workflows, wiring new orchestration, for example, building dashboards out of the fly, all have been made very, very easy with the LLM capabilities that we currently have available. So products from ManageEngine readily work with publicly available LLMs, in addition to working with our own LLMs, because when we talk about artificial intelligence, in the context of enterprises, in the context of business, compliance, regulation, cybersecurity becomes very important. Companies are wary of sending their data out in the public. For such customers, we also have our own LLM. So this has been the evolution for ManageEngine, applying AI to solve our customer problems. So experience has always been a key outcome, right? One of the key outcomes for any business function. Maybe talk about sales function, your customer support function. The same applies for the internal IT function. Are you able to give a great experience to people in your workforce? That's always been a mandate. That's always been an important outcome. Now with the power of AI, IT teams, the organizations of the CIOs have a lot more power in their hands to increase the user experience. You don't need human agents to be available all the time. So what do people in the workforce need? They are doing their particular job, serving a customer, doing a deal, or people in the legal team are working hard on maybe a litigation, right? So doing negotiations. You need access to a lot of contextual data. You need answers to tough questions. You need to put a lot of data together, correlate them. These are areas where AI could really help in terms of elevating experience, right? So that's what we are trying to bring into the ManageEngine products. And talking specifically about experience, the system talking the local language, right, or the native language of the user, is a very important part of delivering experience. We already support a lot of global languages. Talking specifically about Indic languages, which is again very, very important. So we have 30 popular languages across India. Our objective is to support all of them, but to start with, we are focusing on our ManageEngine products support Hindi, Tamil, and Telugu to start with. And we believe it is going to be a very, very important factor when companies think of delivering experience as an outcome. We look at ourselves as a global technology company, global product company. So regardless of AI, complying to various regulations is very, very important. We take them very seriously. Say, for example, we have a big presence in the European Union. And when we do business with customers from the European Union, it is mandatory to comply to the various regulations. So we see it as a very, very important aspect of the business. Having said that, AI as a technology is still evolving. Regulations around AI are also still evolving. But we don't look at complying to a specific regulations. We look at who we are, what our business is, who are the customers we are serving, and whatever is required from the perspective of our business serving our specific customers, we will be compliant. That has been our stand. And the other important point, it also depends on the business model that you have. So we are a company that truly believes in building technology to solve customer problems. And we make money. Our revenue comes from selling our product licenses. In the sense, like, we do not sell customer data. We do not monetize any data that we collect. We have been very clear about this over the last 2.5 decades. That also means we are in a much better position to be able to comply to various regulations. Our business model is very clean, just selling products and not having to track data, sell data. That is when complying to various regulations becomes very challenging. So our model is clean, and we see it as a very, very important business priority. And that has been our approach, and that will continue to be the same.